In this video, I'm gonna show you how to view folder sizes in Windows 11. Unfortunately, Windows doesn't show folder sizes in File Explorer by default. However, there is an easy way to check how much space a folder is using on your device. First, right-click the Start icon. And from the options, click File Explorer. Now locate the folder whose size you want to check. Now right-click the folder and then select the properties from the context menu. The properties window for the selector folder will appear. In the General tab, you can see the folder size and additional details like the number of files and folders it contains. Next, click OK to exit. So that is how you can view folder sizes in Windows 11. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.